बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम टसर रॉ सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड शेडेड डाई पैटर्न एंटीक जरी woven rani pink with red combination. This is the rich pallu and blouse piece will be in red single color. It's the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified weaved in pure reshmi antique zari. This is maroon with green combination. This is the look of the pallu with the blouse piece. This is the look. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside threads. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified weaved in pure antique zari, fully kadiyal weaved buttas. Deep black color, borderless patterns. Starting to end you will get these buttas and this is the blouse piece. You can see the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified. This is deep coffee color with deep mustard gold blouse. The big buttas pattern with the upper and lower both borders same. This is the rich pallu and this is the blouse piece. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, deep maroon color. This is slightly coffeeish maroon color with rani pink blouse in lining. The beautiful combination. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece. Fully kadiyal weaved, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified weaved in pure antique reshmi zari. This is shaded sari, upper and lower pattern sari. This is the pallu and blouse piece is in one shade. The lower color will be the blouse piece. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified weaved in pure antique zari. This is shaded dye, double shade sari. You can see this is double shade sari with the blouse piece in self. This is the blouse piece color. The whole look of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside thread works. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, borderless pattern, silk marked certified, fully kadiyal weaved. This is purple color. The rich pallu with the blouse piece in red, blood red color, silk marked certified. Ready to ship. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, fully kadiyal weaved buttas, borderless pattern saris. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece in black lining. This is the whole look you can see. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is olive gold color with teal blue blouse. Very beautiful. It's looking in real. Borderless patterns with the full kadiyal weaved. This is the rich pallu with the lining blouse. The whole look of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved. You can see the buttas. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified, weaved in antique silver zari. You can see upper and lower both borders will be same with the beautiful pallu. This is royal blue color with silver weaving. Blouse is self plain with border same as the sari. Running blouse piece. And this is the whole look. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. The beautiful antique reshmi zari. Full red sari. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece plain with border same as the sari. The big buttas in the body with the beautiful and rich border. Silk marked certified. Handloom tussar raw silk, deep green color, deep bottle green with mustard yellow color blouse. Upper and lower both borders are equal and same with the rich pallu. This is the pallu with the blouse piece. The whole look of the sari. Silk marked certified. The most demanding shade of tussar raw silk, navy blue with red combination. The highest demanding color combination. Beautiful and rich pallu with the blouse piece red. Navy blue with red. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk marked certified, weaved in pure reshmi gold zari. The beautiful big buttas and fully kadiyal woven border. Upper and lower both borders are equal and same. This is deep rani pink color. This is the rich pallu with the blouse in self blouse This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. Beautiful sari in bright purple color. Borderless patterns. The rich pallu with the blouse piece in this lining booties. Tussar shade blouse piece. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. Weaved in pure antique zari with meenakari buttas. Borderless pattern saris. Very beautiful proper tussar shade. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece in maroon, deep maroon blouse piece. Starting to end you will get these motifs, meenakari motifs. The whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. Beautiful shade with meenakari buttas all over on the body, borderless patterns. With this rich pallu and blouse piece is in lining. This is deep bottle green color blouse. The whole look of the sari. Full sari will have these buttas with meenakari. Extremely beautiful shade. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk. Grey with red combination and red meenakari also. Very beautiful sari. You can see the beauty of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside threads. This is a rich pallu with the blouse piece in red. You can see the beauty of the sari. See the look. Whole sari from starting to end have these buttas. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside cut work with the beautiful meenakari. This is deep maroon color. The rich pallu with the blouse piece in green. The whole look of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved buttas. You can see the look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, sky blue color with rani pink blouse. The meenakari is also pink. This is the look of the sari, silk marked certified, fully kadiyal weaved. Starting to end you will get these motifs. You can see the starting to end you will get these motifs.